Hello friends, today we are going to learn another lessons. Are you ready for it? Today we are going to learn SATVN letters. S, S, which makes snake. Again, S sounds S, S. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S, s. The snake is in the grass. Little ones, repeat after me. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S, s. Ah, ah, ant. Again, ah, ah, ant. Ants. Ants on my arm. Ants. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They are causing me alarm. Again. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They are causing me an alarm. Dear parents, please repeat after me. Tennis. When I was the tennis game, ta. When I was the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Dear parents, read after me. I sounds I. Ink. I sounds I. Ink. I ink. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Again, P sounds P. P sounds P. Pink. P sounds P. Pink. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff. N sounds noise. N sounds N. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane making lots of noise. Thanks for watching. For getting more new videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thanks to all.